Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're at Tesco's and I see we've got some new plant drop in. So I'm just going to show you what the new plants are for Tesco's. So let's take a look. So we've seen these before, and these are the aces. Still a good deal at £4. And these are the red ones and the green ones, both at £4, which I think is still a good price. And of course my favourite, being fuchsia, still got some of these pots for £6 and the roadies at the bottom. But the new stuff is Wisteria, which is a kind of honeysuckle. And this one we got Belgica and Red World, both at £8. They're going to look amazing when they're all out in flower. And then we're on to the rose. So we've got a rose bush at £10. We've got yellow, we've got red, and we've also got an orange. And these are £10. And these are for the bush. They're looking really good. And then we go on to dianthus, £2.50. These should look after themselves. And we're on to phoenix palm. So £10. I've done a video of these potting up, so check that one out. I do like these phoenix palms, they're pretty good. Then we've got a new supply of Wisteria. These are £8. This is the white variety. So, good to check out the labels, see what variety we've got. And then we're back onto the roses. We've got some pinks and some reds, and these are £10. And then back onto dianthus. So they've got some whites, some pinks. They're looking really good, and they'll come back again next year. Lovely colours. And there's a video on my channel how to deadhead dianthus, so check that out. So we have some tomato baskets for £6, which do need a drink or two. And then we've got some chilli 6-packs, £3. They're looking better. And some tomatoes. Check the varieties, these are different varieties. And I put 6 of those in my polytunnel, so they should be really good. Underneath is baskets of tomatoes, £6. Yellows, and also baskets of hanging chilies at £6. More tomatoes at the bottom, they're looking a lot better. And then on the top shelf we've got some fuchsias, single pots, these are £2.50, pinks and purples, 3 for £6. And we've got some flowering baskets. These looking good, £7. Tall and long baskets, £8. And they're full of dahlias. They're lovely colours. We're going deluxe to low, hanging baskets, £12. There's lots of lovely colours in there. A mixed bunch of plants, looking good, some geraniums in them. And some more baskets underneath, £15. Right assortment of colours, they're looking lovely. Lots of lovely colours. And then right at the bottom, New Guinea plants. These are 3 for £6 or £2.50 each. Mix and match. And they're looking good. So on the next shelf over, we've got some Wisteria. And these are quite tall already. This is amethyst 4s. And these are looking lovely, £22. They look great. And then we've got some of the old plants that was in stock for the following few weeks. And yeah, that's about it. So let me know in the comments, what have you picked up in Tesco's? Any of these? Let me know in the comments.